Hello and welcome to Saniya's Art Studio. In today's vlog, I am going to show you not so glamorous life of an artist, and I am going to take you on a studio tour after I am done cleaning up my studio. So today we are, as you can see, this super messy room behind me, and I have been avoiding to clean up my studio from past 2 months, and and finally, I have decided to clean up this room. So come along with me and let's see if we are able to clean this room today. So it's Friday and we have weekend coming up, and I wanted to clean up this room today before the end of the day so I get some time to create some artworks over the weekend with the toddler constantly running around me and trying to mess up the things which I'm trying to clean up. Let's see how much we are able to achieve today. And we'll also be putting like whatever artworks are available with me right now on the wall because we are getting our studio ready for the podcast, which I have been planning for months now. And finally, I got some time to record some podcasts. So we also have to make sure that the room is clean enough for recording the podcast episodes. So come along with me. One hour after cleaning up this room, this is how it looks. We still have a lot to go. We still have the medium sized paintings which will go here, and then the rest of them that will go on this side of the wall. I still have to clean up this mess right over here. I'm already tired. But we have to clean this up before end of the day. So let's go get these things done. So in today's vlog, I was showing you behind the scenes of not so glamorous life of an artist, and we are cleaning up the studio. We are just halfway done, and I was so hopeful in the morning that I'll be able to get this done before end of the day, and I don't think so that's happening anymore because my daughter's gonna wake up like best case scenario in half an hour, and I just have half an hour to make sure that I can get done at least good amount of work by the time she's up, because then it's going to be her playtime and we don't compromise on her playtimes. So let's see how much I get done before end of the day, and come along with me to see my journey. Finally, it's 10:30 p.m. on Friday night, and we were finally able to clean the room. And I am so happy. I did not expect that I'll be able to clean this room completely before end of the day, considering I had a toddler running behind me all around throughout the day. But it was one of those lucky days when my toddler didn't needed me to play with her, and she was all by herself throughout the day. And I'll definitely be giving you the tour of the room. But before that, thank you so much for watching this vlog with me, and do let me know in the comment section what would you like to see next on my channel. Keep in mind that all my content is going to be around art and artist life and textured art tutorials. So you'll be able to see some textured art tutorials here and there. I have lots of tutorials that I need to edit, and hopefully over next few weeks I'll be able to edit it and upload it on YouTube. Meanwhile, enjoy these vlogs, and thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to smile.